Welcome. If you want to create folders on the home screen in your Motorola Edge 20, at first you have to pick few icons. For example, I'm going to use these three icons. So click, hold and then drag application for another one, just like that. When you make it, the folder will be here. When you click on it once, you can open. When you tap in this place, you are able to rename that folder. Click here to confirm, tap outside to close that folder, and you can drag here other icons. You can move that folder like any other icon, also between your home screens. And when you click and hold it and want to remove this folder, you can make it very easy. And right now all these icons you will find in the app drawer, so you have to drag them here back like that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.